Welcome to Evenheat Kiln and this tap controller demonstration. In this video we're going to tell you a little bit about the tap control enclosure. We've been running a swing view control for quite some time, I think since about 2009. The swing view puts the controller in its own enclosure, and it's hinged, it's pivoted, and which means you can raise it up to program and view. And when you're done, you can lower it back down, which puts it at a great position to see across the studio or the shop. So that's a swing view box. Again, we've had that for a while. Tap controller came along, and it lended itself very well to this particular design because the USB and Ethernet ports are now accessible without having to disassemble the control. We simply would rotate our swing view up, and you can see the ports on the bottom. The ports are there for internet connectivity. We anticipate web apps and mobile apps to be available December 2015. When those do become available, one would use a USB dongle, insert the USB dongle in the USB port. Now you could access the wireless router, wirelessly obviously. That's one method of doing it. The other method obviously is the Ethernet or Cat5 cable. There's also a connection for that. That would be a direct wire or hard wire to the router. So the enclosure for the tap is taken from our swing view. Again, lended itself nicely to the design because of the USB port position. Again, no disassembly to get after that. So that's how it pans out with the enclosure, and hopefully you'll enjoy the wireless connection when it becomes available in December of 2015.